I've got to tell you, quantum computing is about to flip weather prediction on its head. You know how we're always complaining about inaccurate weather forecasts? Well, those days might soon be over. We're talking about a technology that's so mind-blowingly powerful, it could revolutionize how we understand and predict the weather. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wild world of quantum computing and its impact on weather forecasting. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What even is quantum computing? Well, it's like, taking your regular computer and injecting it with superpowers. Instead of using bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits that can be both at the same time. I know it sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the thing. This isn't just some theoretical mumbo-jumbo. Quantum computers can process insane amounts of data simultaneously, making them perfect for tackling complex problems like, you guessed it, weather prediction. It's like going from a bicycle to a supersonic jet in terms of computational power. Crazy stuff, right? Now I know what you're thinking. Busayo, we've been predicting weather for ages, what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you, our current methods are kinda meh. We're using classical computers to crunch numbers based on atmospheric data, satellite imagery, and historical patterns. It works, but it's far from perfect. Remember that time you planned a picnic and got rained out? Yeah, that's because our current systems struggle with the sheer complexity of weather patterns. It's like trying to solve a million-piece jigsaw puzzle with a magnifying glass in one hand tied behind your back. We've made progress, sure, but we're hitting a wall with classical computing power. It's just not cutting it anymore, you know? So, how exactly does quantum computing give us an edge in weather prediction? It all comes down to processing power and the ability to handle complexity. Weather systems are incredibly intricate, with countless variables interacting in ways that are hard to model accurately. Classical computers? They break a sweat just thinking about it, but quantum computers? They thrive on this kind of complexity. They can process multiple weather scenarios simultaneously, consider more variables, and do it all faster than you can say partly cloudy with a chance of quantum supremacy. It's like, giving a supercomputer a Red Bull and a set of wings, and trust me, that's not an exaggeration. Let's get a bit nerdy for a second. The real magic happens when we pair quantum hardware with specially designed quantum algorithms. These bad boys are tailor-made to take advantage of quantum weirdness like superposition and entanglement. And when applied to climate modeling, oh boy, we're in for a treat. Researchers are already experimenting with quantum algorithms that could dramatically improve our ability to simulate complex climate systems. We're talking about potentially predicting weather patterns months in advance with accuracy that would make your local weatherman's jaw drop. It's not just about knowing if you need an umbrella tomorrow, it's about understanding long-term climate trends and preparing for what Mother Nature might throw our way. Pretty cool, huh? Now you might be thinking this is all theoretical, but let me tell you, the big players are already in the game. We're seeing partnerships popping up between tech giants and meteorological agencies faster than you can say quantum entanglement. IBM, Google, you name it, they're all racing to be the first to crack the quantum weather prediction code. These collaborations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking about projects that aim to improve severe weather warnings, optimize renewable energy production based on weather patterns, and even help airlines reduce fuel consumption by better predicting wind patterns. It's like the space race, but for weather nerds. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good tech race? Okay, so get this. One of the most exciting applications of quantum computing in weather prediction is dealing with extreme weather events. We're talking hurricanes, tornadoes, flash floods, the kind of stuff that keeps emergency managers up at night. With quantum computing, we might be able to predict these events earlier and with more precision. Imagine being able to forecast the path of a hurricane days in advance with pinpoint accuracy, or getting a heads up on a tornado formation hours before it happens. This isn't just cool tech, it's potentially life-saving stuff. It's like giving meteorologists a crystal ball, except this one is powered by quantum mechanics. And let me tell you, that's way cooler than any fortune teller I've ever seen. Now let's throw another buzzword into the mix: machine learning. Combine this with quantum computing, and you've got a weather prediction powerhouse. Quantum machine learning algorithms could potentially analyze historical weather data and current conditions faster and more thoroughly than ever before. This could lead to weather models that not only predict the weather, but actually learn and improve over time. It's like if your weather app went to Harvard, got a PhD, and then gained superpowers. The potential for more accurate, localized, and timely weather forecasts is mind-blowing. We're talking about forecasts so precise you might actually trust them. Crazy, right? Let's be real for a second. This isn't all sunshine and quantum rainbows. There are some serious challenges we need to tackle. For one, quantum computers are incredibly sensitive and prone to errors. It's like trying to conduct a symphony orchestra in the middle of a mosh pit. Things can get messy real quick. Then there's the question of accessibility. Will this technology only be available to countries with deep pockets? And what about the ethical implications? Better weather prediction could give some nations a significant economic and strategic advantage. It's a classic case of with great power comes great responsibility, but with more qubits, and trust me, that's a lot of responsibility. So, where do we go from here? The future of quantum weather prediction is looking bright, but we're not quite there yet. We're in that exciting phase where the potential is enormous, but we're still ironing out the kinks. It's like we've invented the car, but we're still figuring out how to build highways. But man, once we get those highways built, it's going to be one heck of a ride. And there you have it, folks. The quantum revolution in weather prediction. It's a future where we might actually be able to trust the weather forecast. Imagine that. As we wrap up, I want you to think about the possibilities. More accurate predictions, better preparation for extreme weather, and a deeper understanding of our planet's climate. It's not just about knowing whether to pack an umbrella, it's about safeguarding our future. So the next time you check the weather app on your phone, just remember, quantum is coming, and it's going to blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending tech content.